guess what? It's boarding day.
Hey rockers, have you ever wondered? Well, wonder no more, because today we're taking you on Wonder of the Seas. We're going to show you all about the ship today.
That's right, it's Embarkation Day. Now this used to be the largest ship in the world up until 2024. Now it's the 4th largest, but it's the biggest ship we've ever been on. We're gonna have good times on Embarkation Day. We're taking you with us. Let's get to it. Let's rock.
Woo, let's rock, baby.
How many bags?
2 bags. 2 bags. Our room is 3222, you guys.
We were just 223 on the other one.
I know, it's all about the 3s and 2s for us. Woo!
All right, here we go. It's Wonder of the Seas time. Woo-wee. Oh my God.
Straight ahead is guest services if you need help right off the bat, but I don't think we need to. Look
Oh
up.
my God.
The scooters. It's like a whole mini mall, you guys.
Holy crap, this is crazy. It's like we're in a mall in New York or something.
Wow, look at that Mustang right there.
Oh my God, babe, look, they have Spotlight Karaoke. Oh shit. I wanna go see what this is all about. I'm a karaoke nerd. So maybe someone can tell us what's up.
Right here, you got your own little stage right there where those curtains are.
So apparently they have a karaoke lounge here. We need to get more details because this is amazing. So there's a little stage right here. There's a lounge. That's really up close and personal. I like it. But maybe at certain hours you can put in requests and just, I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna go ask somebody right now. All right, so we just talked to the gentleman that works here. Apparently they have 2-hour karaoke sessions throughout the cruise. There's one tonight from 6 to 8. I think he said, and 9 to 11 maybe. We'll check it out later. Later on the video, and we'll see if maybe I can get a song in. Or what about you?
I don't know. I might have to be a little tipsy to give you the love of karaoke.
The Love Boat. All right, we're kind of lagging. We got on the ship late, so we got to go muster right away. They're saying if you don't do it in the next 5 minutes, we got to go to some special muster. So we're gonna go get that handled right now. It's pretty a simple process, but it's crazy because we're so pumped up how cool the ship looks. Oh, we're gonna go through the casino real quick. This is one of the nicest ships we've ever seen, to be honest. We've been on a lot of ships. Let's go muster and then keep the party going because we're ready to rock the Wonder. Okay, we just got to our muster station and there is no one here. Well, there was a couple girls that said that we were at the right muster station, but we're too late. They already took all the scanners and everything. So we're hoping that we're gonna be okay. They said you should be. We watched the video in our room. They might call us and tell us to do step 2, which we're hoping doesn't happen, but we were wondering before, and now we're not wondering. We're on the ship, and this is crazy. So this is where we were supposed to muster right here. They were standing right here, but this is Studio B. And I was asking the girl about it. They have ice skating rink in there, so there's a show with ice skating, or we can actually go ice skating ourselves. We might have to ice skate.
I love ice skating. Come on, let's do it. I have to have some disco music.
Yeah, I don't know if I could pull off that ice skating. My ankles go like this. All right, we just made it up to deck 16.
And I am amazed amazed. I never have to wonder again how beautiful this deck is.
I cannot believe how big this ship is. We'll show you in a minute, but we came up to deck 16 because the sailaway party is going to start in about 10 minutes. We don't want to miss that. You know how we love those. But this is breathtaking again. I use the word a lot, but it is how big this ship is. I'm going to pan around in a second and show you the pool where we're standing by with a bunch of jacuzzis, and then it goes all the way across, and there's another whole area. So
Yeah,
I'll show you right now.
We're not even halfway there.
I know. We've seen like maybe 5% of the ship already. That's it.
I think I am wondering what's over there. I can't wait. I'm gonna bring you guys.
That's why they call it Wonder of the Seas.
Yeah.
So look, we were just standing right here. Melissa's right here. There's a pool right here. There's a pool over there on the other side, right? There's a jacuzzi right here, and then look, over there are water slides. So you see, I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but there's water slides over there. There's a whole other area over there. We're gonna go walk over there real quick and check it out so you can see what it's like. Okay, so we are on the other side right now. There's another little pool right here. There's one over there with the kids play area. There's water slides up there, but look, I'm gonna turn back around where we were at. Way over there. So this is unbelievable. And then over here is a courtyard area with all the rooms. You can get rooms on this ship where it's not a water view, it's a courtyard view, and they are right here.
Oh my gosh. It's like the outdoors. You're in a park. Wow, that is so lovely. Look, they must have live music.
What do you think, babe? Oh my God.
I love it. There's a little of everything for those nature lovers. Look down here. You can even get married too. Look at that, how beautiful. Also, I've only seen 4 pools. I'm wondering, are there more?
We just got a notification on our app that they're having $6 margaritas for the next 2 hours at every single bar here. That's a hell of a deal, so we're gonna go grab one. This sailaway party is starting right now. The cruise director just came out and the music's starting to pump.
Woo!
Let's go dance. You guys ready to dance?
My mind explodes. I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload. Don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure you just made my world stop. I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. So pretty, I could die.
All right, so Melissa got in the water. I didn't because, you know, I wasn't prepared, but this is a hot tip if you're gonna be coming on the Wonder of the Seas. Wear your bathing suit. If you're,
Yes, a cute sarong and a cute little top.
or even if just wear your bathing suit underneath whatever you're gonna be wearing, because the whole sailaway party is surrounded around the pool. Everyone's in there partying.
There are 4 pools, by the way, that they're surrounded around.
It was a great time, but we're back on the other side. Those are the pools we showed you earlier. We're over here, and you can see if you just want to relax and not party with everybody, there's a relaxing couple pools on the other side. I'm going to show it to you right now. So you can see the screen over there, that big screen. That's where the sailaway party is happening, and then over here on the other side, there's another pool, but it's more relaxing. Look, everyone's just chill. You can still hear the music, so if you want to just enjoy the music, you can, but it's not out of control like the other side, which we prefer the out of control, but it depends on what you want. Maybe you want just to relax. Oh, there's a jacuzzi over here too. Let's check out the jacuzzi. They have jacuzzis everywhere. I'm gonna ask them how many jacuzzis they have because they're all over the place, but here's a little jacuzzi over here. And then of course the water slides that we pointed out earlier are right here. This has been incredible so far. A incredible first 2 hours here on the Wonder of the Seas. Sailaway party was intense. We're taking a little break. We're sitting here. The ocean's right here. Look.
We have officially sailed away.
Yeah, we're leaving port. We're right by the lime and coconut.
Put the lime in the coconut and shake it all around.
But we're just gonna enjoy another margarita and see what else this ship has to offer, because so far we've never experienced a ship this large. It's just crazy. I mean, we go on Carnival all the time, you know that, and their ships are awesome, but
Not like this. This is the supreme for us at the moment besides Virgin.
this is a monster ship, and I can't believe what's gonna happen in the next 4 days. By the way, we should mention, we've only been on one Royal Caribbean cruise if you watch our channel. And we went to the casino, gambled moderately, not very much. But this cruise we're on right now, and one of the seas was completely free. And they gave us 2 specialty dining restaurants. So we get chops, grill, +1. So we did chops, and we're doing hooked, the seafood. And then they gave us like $50 each on board free play on the casino. So, I mean, you can't beat it.
We're gonna get the winning started on them.
We always go on Carnival because, you know, they give us fair offers, but I mean, if we've only been on one Royal cruise, they give us one of the biggest ships for free.
Yes.
I can only imagine that it's going to turn more Royal than Carnival. I don't know. We'll see. It's our second one, but
I'm enjoying a new type of ship to review, and I hope you love all the Carnival ones as well. But we're adding the Royal fleet.
why not make the channel as diverse as possible, right?
Absolutely. We're gonna be going on everything. We gotta hit all the virgins. I mean, sheesh.
Excuse me? You gotta hit all the virgins.
Aye, aye, aye.
Melissa is really feeding for an ice cream. We do Carnival ice cream all the time, but is Royal's ice cream better? Let's find out. We're gonna get an ice cream right now.
Swirls versus sprinkles.
Swirls or sprinkles? Comment below. Swirls or sprinkles? We're gonna have our first sprinkles right now.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, I gotta say, Royal's ice cream is on par with Carnival. They actually had someone help us make the ice cream because I'm really bad at it. If you watch our videos, it comes out like upside down, or I can't fit any ice cream on it. This is the perfect, I mean, I've eaten some of it, but it was the perfect ratio. Delicious. We went with ice cream this time. We'll do frozen yogurt next time.
Hey guys, we want to give you a quick tour of our ocean view cabin on Wonder of the Seas.
We're on deck 3, staying in cabin 222. Oh, there's our poster. Make sure to scan that. So, what I really like is this full-length mirror as soon as you walk in. It is humongous. There's a little desk here. There is a vanity with a backlight, so if you need to do your makeup, you're good to go. A lot of outlets down here, and they actually have USB, which is awesome. The Type-C. We have to bring this little box right here so we can extend it out even more. But there's plenty of plugs in here. Refrigerator. 4 drawers right here. We brought these hooks right here that you can see, magnet hooks, but check out what they have here. These aren't ours. These are on the wall. They're permanent, so you can hang all your stuff right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 hooks that they provide to hang up your shorts or backpacks, whatever. TV is pretty big, about a 42-inch. Comes with all the in-demand channels. On our last Royal Cruise, we didn't get free movies. This one had about 7 different free movies, which is great. The bed's pretty comfy. It is, we got a king, so it's actually really comfy. No problems. We didn't even ask for a top or anything, and we slept like babies. There's a closet right here with a safe. And then there's some drawers down here. We didn't even use them. Couch right over here. So if you want to pull up a seat and eat right there, you can. Another closet right over here. Now, what's really cool is they put 2 bars, so you can hang stuff here and down here. You notice there's another bar back there, which means you can, with 2 people, it's plenty of room. Even 4 will be fine. Bathroom, it's on the smaller side, I'm going to say, from other cruises we've been on, but what makes up for it is this awesome shower. It's really roomy. They make it like a 3/4 of a circle is how I would explain it. And it's a glass door. It's a glass door. Feels high-end in here. Very modern. Backsplash back here. And there's a shelving over here for all your toiletry stuff. And I want to mention in the shower real quick, this shower is insane, the water pressure. I'm going to see if I can show you how hard this water pressure is. Look at that. I don't know if it's a special head they have on here or just the water pressure itself, but it's the largest water pressure we've ever had on a cruise ship. We'll tell you that. The soap over here is shampoo and it's body soap, so you can use it for both. And then we'll check out the ocean view. Everybody wants to see that. We're at port right now in Nassau, and we're going to leave in about an hour, but here's what the window looks like. It's a circle window, and it is lovely. I like to use this for a table in the morning for coffee and just look out the window, enjoy some coffee while waking up. And there's another ship right back there.
So it's been an incredible day today. We came back to the cabin to spiffy up a little.
Got a collared shirt on, did a little change, getting a little sweaty. But we have plans tonight to go see a show. We have reservations to go see Intense, which is at the Aqua Theater. It's going to be a lot of high dives, a lot of water splashing everywhere. We'll make sure not to sit in the first few rows because I heard you can get wet.
Right.
Although it might feel pretty good. We're going to sit a little farther back and show you a little bit of that. We're going to head over there right now. We got about 10 minutes to get over there. So let's go check out the show. Intense, baby.
Let's go.
Oh my God, now that was intense. I know where they get the name from. The acrobatics were insane. The music that they played was hard rock. It made the whole place rumble. Don't miss that show when you're on the ship. It was the best show we've ever seen. But that's gonna be all for this one. We're gonna see you in Karaoke. We're taking you with us. We're gonna give you a full tour. It'll be in the next video. Make sure to join us and remember to always keep rocking the boat. See you next time.